Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to this week's episode of Maconomics. I'm your host, Ross Mack, and I'm here to try to help you get to a bag. We got a new caller calling. Talk to me what you got.
Hey Ross, it's Jessica. Listen, I've been hearing everybody talking about AI, and first I thought they was talking about Allen Iverson, honey. I didn't know what they was talking about, honey. But apparently they talking about artificial intelligence taking our jobs and stuff. Now listen, I can't compete with no robot. I can do the robot. But can a robot really come and take my job, Ross? Tell me what's up.
Hey, amazing question. Look, according to Goldman Sachs, artificial intelligence could replace up to 300 million jobs worldwide, including mine. But look, with all new technology, you either adapt to it or you're just gonna become a dinosaur, like the same we saw with taxis and Uber, same we saw with Netflix and Blockbuster. But look, what's important is one of the top performing AI stocks this year is called NVIDIA. And guess what, man? That CEO said that AI won't steal jobs, but someone who's an expert with AI actually will. And that's what we need to discuss, right? How to better implement AI into your current business and how to remain differentiated so that you yourself don't never get replaced. But first, let's talk about what AI is, right? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence and machines that are programmed to think, learn, and solve problems just like us, like humans, right? It's the characteristics of a computer program that essentially simulates human processing and performs tasks that once required humans, like playing chess, painting, and writing essays, just to name a few. Now look, man, everybody and their mama been talking about AI, right? But what's important to know is that we all have interacted with AI in just some capacity. Whether it's literally a virtual assistant like saying, hey Siri or Alexa, or unlocking your phone with facial recognition, or even using Netflix for their recommendations on movies based on your past viewing history. All right, so look, so now that we all know that we've been using it before unknowingly, let's actually talk about how to be intentional with it, right? The first resource I want us to all talk about is ChatGPT. Look, ChatGPT is a chatbot that will give you an answer to just about any question that you ask it. But how you apply it is really what counts, right? You can ask for scenarios for if you're a small business owner. For instance, say you own a coffee shop and you want to ask ChatGPT about how to create a customer loyalty program. You can also talk about social media strategies, and the list is gonna go on and on. And look, some other AI technologies that you can use is turning long form video into short and digestible social media content to help market your business, right? Such as using Opus.pro. You can also use AI to help write code, develop a website, or even write a resume. And when it's all said and done, the possibilities of incorporating AI into your day-to-day business operations are endless. So here's what I want you to do, man. I want you to do as much research as possible and do as many trials as possible, because when it's all said and done, you want to be the person that knows how to use AI rather than AI actually replacing you. Look, man, I really hope that helps. Next caller, talk to me, what you got?